2, 1. Ooh. Oh,
we're done. Good job, bub.
It's fine. I'm going to show you our first guest on the channel. And me. 2, 1. Oh!
After what? Oh. Thundering out there.
It's thundering outside right now. Fun fact. Hopefully we can plan out to go to Marble Falls still. That's like success. If I can get it down there, we're all gonna be proud if I can get this all the way down there. Oh, there's a problem. There. I might be the problem. Oh! Oh my god! That got more than halfway. Football day. Ooh. There, oh!
Look at the size of that hamburger.
Oh my god. Who's eating that? I eat more food than that in a day. I eat more food than that in a day. I love food.
You love carbs.
I love food. That's why I called this channel Mikey White Toys.
Because you love food?
No. No. Three, two, one. Oh!
I'm excited about our other street said it should be delivered on Wednesday.
It's a cheat code for looking good. Minus the
Oh!
And I was thinking, you just send a lease on our shop. My assistant went to customers.com to get new uniforms with all the locations.
If I can make it halfway.
Oh!
Oh!
Sent to all the
So
shops.
close.
Custom made makes it so easy. Get started today at
Mom's in the back.
custom.com.
Oh! So close. That was so close.